Hello and welcome to Explaining Evidence Level 3. This video is going to show you how to get from that Level 2 in Explaining Evidence all the way up to 6th grade level, Level 3. So let's start off by looking at the rubric. The rubric for Level 3 says that to get a 3, you have to sometimes try to explain why evidence matters, but sometimes you might just explain what it means. So let's break that down. Explaining why evidence matters means explaining how your evidence connects to your claim. Explaining what evidence means is putting it in your own words or paraphrasing the evidence. So let's use an example with this question. Should cell phones be allowed in schools? So we're going to find a quote or a picture to use as evidence, depending on what we're looking at. We're going to put the quote in your own words or explain what it means, and then we're going to explain how the evidence supports your claim. So let's look at the example. According to an article in Time magazine, exam scores climbed by as much as 6% in schools that imposed strict bans on cell phones. Now we're going to explain that in our own words, because that's the text from the article. We can't just copy that. So this means that students in schools that banned cell phones got better test scores. Finally, I need to explain how that proves that schools should not allow cell phones. This matters because it shows that cell phones should not be allowed in schools since they cause students to perform worse on tests. So I'm bringing it all the way back to my claim. Remember, you want to make sure you copy a quote to use as evidence, or if you're using a picture or a map, explain what you see first. Then you want to make sure you circle back around and connect that evidence to your claim. How does this evidence support your argument? So go ahead and in your organizer, you're going to fill out what you just learned about how to get your claim to a 3. And if you need to go, your explanation of evidence to a 3. And if you need to go back, then you can just go ahead and pause this video anytime to rewatch. All right. Good luck with improving your explanation of evidence.